Nowadays, we have countless opportunities to earn money. You can launch your own e-commerce store, offer services as a freelancer, or invest your money, etc. Now, what if you want to invest your money and earn profits? You have various options such as investing in property, stocks, forex, commodities, etc. Well, many people consider investing in stocks as the best option. Therefore, they invest thousands and sometimes millions of dollars in this market. This can be the best time to get stocks because it can be very beneficial for you in the future due to the current steep fall in stock prices. The report issued in 2020 says that almost 55% of United States residents have invested in the stock market, and that's a huge number. What if I tell you that you can even buy stocks with no money? Yes, that's true. So stay till the end of this video and I will show you how to hack the system and get free stocks. What's up guys, welcome back to Glory Investing Show. In our today's video, I'm going to tell you how to generate hundreds of dollars from free stocks every month. Back in 2019, one of my friends showed me how is he getting around $300 of free stocks every week, promoting them on social media to other stock traders. Of course, like everyone else, I wanted a piece of that pie. As an investor, I always promote apps that I use and love their functionality. And I also generate free stocks from referring it to friends and promoting it on my social media. With the years passing by, trading apps are becoming better and there is more and more of them on the market each day, and the question was which apps are the best and for what kind of investors they're made. This is how we got into competing war of trading apps.
See those little black boxes? They're called telephones. I'm gonna let you on a little secret about these telephones.
After using and investing my own money in different trading apps, I definitely fell in love with Moomoo app. You can get up to 5 free stocks value of $7,500 for signing up to the Moomoo application. All you have to do is open a brokerage account with them. You can get the free stocks worth around $3 to $3,500. When it comes to any analysis or any investing application, one of the most significant things you should take a look at it is the real cost to buy and sell. Moomoo app is a zero-charge trading application. Now, you might be thinking, what does that mean? Well, let me tell you that it means that you will be able to purchase stocks, ETFs, and also options at no fee. Not just that, the application is also safeguarded by SEC and FINRA, so don't worry about your money as it is completely safe. Here it is important to note that the good thing about boosting your confidence is that if anything happens to you or your account, you will get all the money back. However, you will be able to open up only one account at a time. Now, we will discuss how to sign up for this service. Using the link down below, in less than a minute you can sign up with all your information and open your account.
Forget to thank the Lord for this bountiful...
There's also one better thing about this app is that there is no restriction for the minimum deposit to open the account. The next important question here is, after you have signed up for this service, how much time will it take to get your free stocks? After successfully opening up the account, you will get one stock for free. If you deposit in your account $1, then you will get extra free stocks. Similarly, how can you claim free stocks on the Moomoo application? When you get the notification about the free rewards, then open the application and click on the Me in the bottom right corner of your screen and then click on the free stock. Then go to Draw to claim your free stock by tapping on the vending machine. Then wait for a few seconds. It takes almost 5 days to process and then the free stocks will be added to your trading account. However, if you want to look at your free reward, you can go to the trade page and then click on the brokerage account and then the US margin account. Let me tell you that you will then have to scroll down to check the pending gift stock section, which displays the free stocks that you have received.
The point is, ladies and gentlemen,
hold there for a second before you click out of this video and not smash the like button that I desperately need in these hard times. Think for a second what kind of opportunity we're talking about here. How many people around you are investing in stock market? Do you know someone of those 55% of Americans that are investing? So why you wouldn't make up your referral code and earn some passive income after you set it up and you repost it all over social media? Why wouldn't you take a piece of that pie? If you share your link with 5 people that you know, and let's just say in perfect world example, all 5 sign up with your link, let's say that you get $50 per sign up, that is $250 you just made, right? Let's just say you found some stock market group on Facebook, you share the link and 10 people sign up, now you made yourself another $500 of extra income. Chances are limitless with affiliate marketing. As we all know, there is a bunch of financial gurus who are trying to get you to sign up on their course in the middle of their videos or sell you something. And I'm here to show you for free how I make my passive income. You can support me and use my referral link, that way I will make more passive income, or you can make your own referral link and start earning your money from people that invest in the stock market every single day.
That person's gonna be pulling up right alongside you in that brand new Porsche.
The awesome feature of the Moomoo app is that you actually get the level 2 market facts and figures with zero cost. This is a great thing when you relate it with the other investing applications such as Robinhood or Webull and their level 2 market information. Here it is worth noting that they can charge a fee of $5 every month to bring the information to your fingerprints. There are many other exciting features in the Moomoo application, and some of them might become your favorite, such as the extended trading hours. With this application, you can actually extend the hours of your trading from 4 AM in the morning to 8 PM Eastern Standard Time. This is awesome because within those pre-marketing hours during the normal trading session and also after market hours, you're still able to trade whenever you want. You can also get the worldwide market data and real-time quotes that are updated every 0.3 seconds. These real-time quotes can be seen from Hong Kong, the United States, China, and Singapore stocks. If you're more of an active trader, then the Moomoo application also offers a drawing tool as well as provides over 50 advanced trading indicators. There's another fast trading feature in this application that is actually perfect for fellow option traders to follow bid-ask price as well as quick 1-cent price adjustments. While on the other hand, applications like Robinhood and Webull, you have to wait, or whenever you have a very large bid-ask spread, it is very difficult to get your order executed. With the Moomoo app, you can set to follow a bid-ask price for quick execution and until your buy or sell order is filled. So if you grow yourself on TikTok, Pinterest, or make a Facebook group and prove good content to your followers, they will reward you with buying through your referral links. You just need to explain them why is that product good and why they should sign up. And remember to tell them that it is for free.
Pick up the phone and start dialing. I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
Well, that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you smash the like button and share it with your friends. And make sure to follow us on social media. I will see you in the next video. Take care, stay tuned.